This is literally just my luck. It starts like downpouring just as soon as I want to film this video, but luckily the eave of the roof is there and we're going to be working here, so we're good to go. What is going on, guys? Jack here with another video, and today we're dealing with 6.4 again, and something that we needed to address a long time ago, and that is these headlights. They're old, they're dried out. I'm sure you saw that in the beginning. They kind of got that yellowish hue on the tops where the sun hit a lot. They got like that speckle in them from like, I don't know if it's from rock chips or whatever, but it looks terrible. And today the plan is to get them clean and hopefully look as good as new. Now this one obviously has some serious like chipping and cracking in it from, I don't know what the previous owner did, but it's weird. And at some point I plan on getting different headlight housings entirely, maybe even go to an LED setup, which I think would be awesome. So let me show you guys exactly how you can do this, and it only takes two things. Guys, like I said, it only takes two things. This is not one of the two things. This is just some speed wax and a towel that I have because I haven't washed the truck in a long time, and you want your headlights clean when you do this. But the first thing that you're going to need is some Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. This stuff is like, works miracles on like everything. So you're going to need that and a machine buffer. Now, a lot of people say, oh, you can do it without the machine buffer. I just get the machine buffer. I mean, they're like 30 bucks at Harbor Freight. Grab it, comes with a pad, you'll be set. And what you do is you take this, you put it on your headlights, obviously, and then you just buff it. Buff it on a low speed because you don't want to melt the pad into the headlight. Take a bunch of passes and it will come clean for you. So let's get right into this and let's get it done. Alright guys, check this out. We've only done 2 passes on this one headlight and it is already looking fantastic. Even right on top here where it was really yellow from the sun, clear as clear can be. You know what, I'm going to leave it at 2 actually. Let me go shoot the other side real quick so that you can get a contrast. And here is the other side. Now these aren't super yellow yet, but they are definitely getting yellow on top here. Right now with the water on it, it doesn't look very yellow on the camera, but you can definitely tell that this headlight is yellowing. And for just like, I mean, it literally only, I want to say I only worked on it for like a minute, maybe a minute and a half. And you can take the headlight from this with the yellow on top, just totally crystal clear, almost like it's brand new. Now this one would actually be like it's brand new, but the previous owner did something weird. I don't even know how that happens. Alright, let's bang out the other side and we can be done. Alrighty guys, we got both of them done. Right and left, driver and passenger. No more yellow on my Super Duty headlights. Check these things out. For how beat up they were, this is really a good result, and I'm really happy with it. But like I said guys, check it out. Mother's mag and aluminum polish and a machine buffer from Harbor Freight for like 30 bucks. And you can take your headlights from nasty and yellow to crystal clear again. And the best part is that you can do this with these two things. I bet you this would do like 1,000 headlights. No, not 1,000. I mean like 100 headlights. But this is only 30 bucks. This is like $7.99 for that. And they sell those kits to redo your headlights that are like $22, and they only do one set of headlights. This, I can do as many headlights as I want. I can do a fleet of headlights. So it's the next day. I kind of ran out of daylight there at the end of that little project that I was working on, and wanted to go over what we used, and it's just mag and aluminum polish from Mother's and a machine buffer, and you can get it done. And really, you're doing headlights for free after you've done two, because it's like $30 for the buffer from Harbor Freight obviously, and like $7 for this, so there's 40 bucks. A kit to do your headlights is like $22, and that only does one set. So once you've done two, all the headlights that you do from then on are free. So just think about that before you go buy one of those kits. Get this, do as many headlights as you would ever want. Anyway guys, as always, if you liked the video, click thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.